Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. I am Surbhi and I am going to tell about what is bases. This is the topic of chapter 2 acid, bases and salt of class 10th. About the acid we discussed in my previous video. So knowledge of the acid, what is acid and what is the physical and chemical properties of acids, you can watch my previous video. So here we will discuss about the bases. What is the basis? Which produces hydroxide ion. Which produces hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion is also called OH minus ion, which produces hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. These are called the bases, which produces hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. These are called the bases. Next point is they are called alkalis. Bases are called alkalis. Now next point, they have bitter in taste. Bases have bitter in taste. Bases turn red litmus to blue. This is the just vice versa of the acids as we discussed in my previous video. Now come on next point. When they react with metals, they evolve hydrogen gas. When they react with metals, they evolve hydrogen gas. Now come on the next point. They react with carbonates. They react with carbonates to produce CO2. They react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. So these are the bases. Now come on the physical and chemical properties of bases. What is the physical property of bases and what is the chemical properties of bases? We will discuss here the physical properties of the bases. Physical property of the bases. Bases give OH minus in aqueous solution. You know very well bases give OH minus. OH minus means hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. They turn red litmus to blue. This is the next point. They turn red litmus to blue. This is the physical property of the bases. Now come on the next point. They are bitter in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. So now come on last point of the physical property of the bases. They does not conduct electricity in aqueous solution. They does not conduct electricity in aqueous solution. So these are the physical properties of the bases. Now come on the chemical property of the bases. What is the chemical property of the bases? They react with metal and liberate hydrogen. They react with metal and liberate hydrogen. So next point is they react with non-metallic oxide. They react with non-metallic oxide to form water. They react with non-metallic oxide to form water. Now come on the next point. They react with carbonates. They react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. So these are the chemical properties of the bases. I repeat my class again. What we'll discuss here about the bases. What is the basis? Basis which produces hydroxide ion, OH minus ion in aqueous solution, that is called the basis. Now come on the next point. They are called alkalis. Bases are also called the alkalis. Now come on the next point. They have bitter in taste. They have bitter in taste. Next is they turn red litmus to blue. They turn red litmus to blue. Now come on the next point. When they react with metals, they evolve hydrogen gas. Last is they react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. So these are the bases. And what is the physical and chemical properties of bases? Physical property. They give OH minus in aqueous solution. They turn red litmus to blue litmus. They are bitter in taste. They does not conduct electricity in aqueous solution. So these are the physical property. Now come on the chemical property. They react with metal and liberate hydrogen. They react with metal and liberate hydrogen. Next is they react with non-metallic oxide. They react with non-metallic oxide to form H2O. Now come on the next point. They react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. So these are the bases we'll discuss here. These are the bases. So we will also discuss these topics in very clearly in our next video. So thank you so much for the watching. You can take a screenshot here and you can write also in your notebook for your memory. So thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. I am going to tell about something. I am going to give you the class 12th video also in at 9 p.m. daily. So please share my video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.